Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make file upload mandatory in Salesforce Flow. This is incredibly useful when you need to ensure users can't proceed without attaching required documents like contracts, certificates, or approval forms. Let's walk through building this flow step by step. First, we need to access the Flow Builder in Salesforce. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the main administration area where you can configure all aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Quick Find box on the left side panel. Type in Flows and click on the Flows option that appears. This brings you to the Flow Management page where you can see all existing flows and create new ones. Now click on the New Flow button to start building your flow from scratch. You'll be presented with different flow types to choose from. For our purpose, select Screen Flow, as this type allows us to create interactive screens that users can fill out. Now let's build the upload screen. Click on the plus icon to add a new element and select Screen from the options. This creates an interactive page where users will upload their files. In the label field, type Upload. This is what you'll see in the Flow Builder to identify this screen. Next, we need to add the file upload component. Look at the components panel on the left side of your screen and drag the file upload component onto your screen canvas. In the label field, type File so users know what they're uploading. The API name will automatically populate as File Up. Now set the Allow Multiple Files toggle to false since we want users to upload just one file at a time. This keeps the process simple and controlled. Click Done to save this component. Here's where we make the upload mandatory. Click the plus icon that appears after your upload screen and select Decision. This element will check whether a file was actually uploaded. Type Check File in the label field to clearly identify what this decision does. Click on New Outcome to create your first condition. Type Has File in the Outcome label field. Now we need to set up the logic. Click on Resource, then navigate through Upload, then File, and finally select Uploaded File Names. This references the actual file that the user uploads. For the operator, select as empty and then set the value to false. This means the outcome is true when a file exists. Make sure to set your default outcome label as no file. This catches all cases where no file was uploaded. Now let's create the success screen. Click the plus icon on the Has File path and select Screen. Type Done in the label field. From the left side Components tab, search for and drag the Display Text component onto this screen. In the text area, simply type OK to confirm successful upload. Click Done to save this screen. Here's the clever part that makes the upload truly mandatory. Click the plus icon below the No File path and select Connect to Element. Now click on the upload screen you created earlier. This creates a loop, so if users try to proceed without uploading a file, they'll be sent right back to the upload screen. They physically cannot move forward without completing the upload. Time to save your work. Click the Save button at the top. In the Flow label field, type Req File, which clearly indicates this flow requires a file upload. Click Save again to confirm. Now let's test that everything works correctly. Click the Debug button to run your flow in test mode. The flow will start running. Try clicking Next without uploading any file, and you'll see it loops you right back to the upload screen. This time, upload an actual file and click Next. You should now successfully move to the OK screen, confirming the upload worked. And there you have it. You've created a Salesforce flow that won't let users proceed without uploading a required file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.